How to solve k power k is equal to 4 power of k plus 4. Find the value of k. So we have k power k is equal to 4 power of k plus 4 can be written as 4 power k times 4 power 4. According to this exponential rule that a power of m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. So this formula, this rule applied here. Now I divided by 4 power k in both sides. So divided by 4 power k, 4 power k divided by 4 power k divided by 4 power k. Now this 4 power k, this 4 power k will be cancelled. Now we see k same power but different base. So remember this exponential rule that a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. So according to this rule, we can write here k over 4, then bracket common power k is equal to 4 power 4. Now we divided by power of 4 in both sides. So divided by power of 4 divided by power of 4. So this 4 will be cancelled. So now let k over 4 is substituted by y. So our equation will be y power y, y power y will be equal to 4 power 1. So 4 power 1 is same as 4. 4 can be written as 2 power 2. Now here you can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, I can compare here y will be equal to 2. But remember that y, that means k over 4. So y, that means it will be k over 4 is equal to 2. Now we need the value of k. So we multiply by 4 in both sides. So multiply by 4. So this 4 will be cancelled. So we have k is equal to 2 multiplied by 4, that means it will be 8. So 8, this is the value of k, so this is our final answer. After that, how to solve 4 power x is equal to 1 by x. Find the value of x. So we have 4 power x is equal to 1 by x. Now we multiply by power of 1 by x in both sides. So multiply by power of 1 by x, multiply by power of 1 by x. Now here you can apply this formula, a power m bracket power n is equal to a power of mn. So according to this rule, so it will be 4 power of x times 1 by x, then is equal to 1 by x bracket power of 1 by x. Now this x will be cancelled. So we have 1 by x and bracket power of 1 by x, then is equal to 4 power 1 is same as 4. So 4 can be written as 2 power 2. Now I can write here 1 by x will be equal to 2. 2 is same as 2 by 1. Now here you can apply cross multiply. So you can write here x times 2, that means 2x will be equal to 1 times 1, that means 1. Now we divided by 2 in both sides because we need the value of x. So divided by 2 divided by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, this is the value of x. So this is our final answer.